Frank Melloni here with Renaissance Firearms Instruction with the new product that we're using in our classrooms. What I have here are X-treme bullets. If you guys aren't familiar with the X-treme line, they're just as the name says, X-treme. Extreme value, extreme accuracy, very clean to work with. In fact, they're some of the shiniest bullets I've ever used. When the packages arrived at the office, I took a look at them, and I had to say, just the visual consistency was excellent. There's no high spots, there's no low spots. For a copper-plated bullet, they look extremely well. So we're going to see today how they shoot. I'm going to be running their 45 caliber 200 grain semi-wad cutter through the standard GI 1911. Not exactly a race gun. Let's see how accurate they fly. Let's see how they cycle. Have a little fun with this. And we're off. Take that. Yeah, that's what we have here. All 7 on target, cycled like a champ. And these are semi-wad cutters through a GI pistol. GI pistols are known to have issues with semi-wad cutters. They like them. I like them. This is what I'll be using. If you come out to our reloading classes and you're loading one of these calibers, we'll be sure to send you home with a sample of them as well. I'm Frank Melloni. Thanks for joining us today.